Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my other video. Today in this video we will learn a letter to your uncle thanking him for a birthday present. First of all, we write an address, then we may mention date, then we start a letter. My dear uncle, today, I have received your parcel. With surprise, I have opened it. There is a beautiful watch in it. I am overjoyed. I cannot find words to express my feelings. The wristwatch is very beautiful. All of my friends admire it. It keeps correct time. I keep it very carefully. It will be of great use to me during the examination days. I am very thankful to you, your loving nephew XYZ. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to watch my other videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching.